Happy Thursday, Aiden. I miss you. Okay, we're going to start with rhyme recognition. What word rhymes with river? Ribbon or shiver? I hope you said shiver. River, shiver. They both end with ver. What word rhymes with honey? Handle or bunny? I hope you said bunny. Honey, bunny. Sound the same. What word rhymes with walking? Within or talking? I hope you said talking. Walking, talking sound the same. Okay, beginning sounds. I'm going to say 2 words, remember, and you tell me the sound that they begin with. Talent, tackle. T, good. Valley, violin. V. Doctor, desk. D, good job. Lettuce, lucky. O. All right, let's blend our syllables. Ped-o-ing. Pedaling, good job. Vacation. Vacation, I hope you said. Magical. Magical, good job. Together. I hope you said together. Okay, we're going to punch our final sounds. Medium. Now you do it and punch. Medium. Delicious. Delicious. Urgent. Urgent. Principal. Principal. Ends with O. Good job. Can you let her out? Okay, now we're going to get our choppers out and segment our syllables. Wonderful. Wonderful. Cucumber. Cucumber. Okay, I'm going to try not to say it and just help you. Remember. Invention. Good. Memorize. Okay, good job. Now I'm going to add a syllable. We have the word bay. Add B, baby. We have the word mag. Add net at the end to make magnet. Good. We have the word freeze. Add at the end to make freezer. We have the word bay. Add kun at the end to make bacon. Yum. Okay, now I'm going to take a syllable away. Okay, we have the word children. Take away dren. What's left? Chill. We have the word number. Take away bur. What's left? Num. We have the word country. Take away kun. What's left? Tree. We have the word mountain. Take away mound. What's left? 10. We have the word blanket. Take away et. What's left? Blank. Good job. Okay, now substituting. That means I take a part away and replace it with a different part. Okay, we have the word wooden. Take away wood and make it guard. I hope you said guard and garden. We have the word swimmer. Take away swim and put in glim. Now we have glimmer, glimmer. We have the word basket. Take away bask and put in blang. Blanket, blanket. We have the word purple. Take away purr and put in sim. Simple, simple. Those are tough. We're going to have to practice those. Don't worry if you're having a hard time. Okay, let's count our words in our sentences. Start with an easy one. Today is Thursday. I hope you counted. Today is Thursday. 3. How about this one? I like pancakes for breakfast. 5. Okay. I use headphones for the computer. Let's do this one together. I use headphones for the computer. 6. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.